so here's how to strum the chords to Without You by the Kid LAROI. There's also a couple other little sections I'll go over with you. There's like a little piece where they go to an E chord in the progression. So and then back in. And then there's some other parts. So I'll show you that. Just starting on the A minor, index finger, first fret of B, middle finger, second fret of D, ring finger, second fret of G. And the strum pattern is down, down, up, down, 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 up. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. A little slower. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. All right. Then it's going to go to an F major 7. So you leave your index finger where it is on first fret of B, hop your middle finger down to second fret of G, ring finger comes up here, third fret of A, pinky right underneath that on third fret of D. Now that's also important because it makes it easy to get to the next chord. Now for this one, I'm muting out the low E string either with your thumb or you can use the top of your ring finger, but leave the high E string open. All right, same strum pattern. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. All right. Then we're going to go to a C. So that's what I was saying. You just let your pinky off now, hop your middle finger up to the second fret of the D. Now we got to go to a G. Now for G, what I'm doing, I just take middle finger, set it on third fret of the low E, and then if you can, just use the bottom part of your middle finger to mute out the A string, okay? So the A string should be muted, and then add your ring finger down here, third fret of B, pinky, third fret of high E, and then the same strum pattern. All right, so now let's go ahead and play through it a couple times. So we're gonna start on the A minor, but right before you get to that A minor chord, there's a little sort of rhythmic piece that's just done with just kind of holding the strings muted so they're not making any noise, right? So what you do is just go down, 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 up, all right? And then we'll go to the A minor chord. So we've got all right, you with me on that? Let's try it again, and then let's just keep going through. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the riff for most of the song. Now there's one piece I was telling you about where they go to the E chord. All right, so the E chord, index finger, first fret of G, middle finger, second fret of A, ring finger, second fret of D. All right, so when they get to that E, they're just gonna drive it. I believe they strum it 5 times and then mute. So they're gonna go, and then it goes back to the A minor. So in the scheme of the progression, it goes A minor, F major 7, C, then to that E. So let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And back to the A minor again. There's this part where they're doing some whole note strums, all right? A little later in the song. So you just use your ears. I think it's all just the same chords in the same order. Not the E, just the main progression, just strumming whole note chords. So you're gonna be like, right? Just strumming whole notes for that part, just the same progression, just a single strum. So those should be all the pieces to the puzzle. so that you can go ahead, practice those sections, and then be able to play through the whole song. So I hope this lesson helped you out. Go ahead, hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one.